हाय गाइस, हम की सचती हैं। मैं हूं नौरी, मेरे साथ है
सलीमा।
सलीमा, आज हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं ट्रेन में सफर करने जा रहे हैं। बहुत ही महंगी वाली होगी।
बहुत पैसा हो गया हमारे पास, बहुत पैसा आ गया है, हम बहुत अमीर हो गए।
जो बैठे बैठे हम लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं ट्रेन की सफर को। एक्सपेंसिव ट्रेन जर्नी इन इंडिया, प्लेसेस ऑन व्हील्स। ओके, 12.4 lakhs। वंडर लग्जरियस एपिसोड 9 है कोई, तो हम लोग वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कितना एक्सपेंसिव है। Oh wow!
On board palace on wheels.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow.
Gold,
I have
gold
seen
se
such
bana.
royal trains only in the movies, but this time on WanderLuxe, I am staying at India's first luxury train.
We are still in the
amongst
movies.
top 5 luxury trains in the world, which has hosted the First Lady of India, American ambassadors, Lord King Chairman of the British Embassy, amongst the many other renowned dignitaries. This is the Palace on Wheels, where I will be staying at the Super Deluxe cabin, costing 12.4 lakh rupees, all inclusive, for a 7 nights splendid journey across Rajasthan.
7 nights.
Wow यार।
The Royal Palace on Wheels is India's first luxury train, which was launched on 26 January 1982 as an initiative by the Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation along with the Indian Railways to give its guests mirroring images of Maharaja's pomp and elegance. And I visited some beautiful cities of Rajasthan and also went for a tiger safari in Ranthambore. So the train chugs out of New Delhi Safdarjung railway station with a hospitable welcome. The train then proceeds for a 7 nights, 8-day journey across 8 heritage cities of Rajasthan, which includes Jaipur, Ranthambore, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Bharatpur, Agra, and back to New Delhi. The train halts at each of these destinations for a couple of hours, where specially curated itineraries have been prepared for each destination. And as for me, I will be experiencing this journey for a couple of days to give you guys a quick ride into this regal wagon.
अंदर उसके हिसाब से भी ड्रेसिंग की थी।
So WanderLuxe is all about being OTT, just like my outfit. But do you like what you see? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so where do I start? Actually, let me break down this video in different parts to give you a detailed experience of what goes around on the Palace on Wheels.
ये ड्रेसिंग इससे
कपड़े खरीद के लाई हमने।
तो उससे पहले भी हमने देख लिया
Well,
था।
talking about the history, the Palace on Wheels is called as the mother of all luxury trains, as it was one of the first luxury trains to be launched in 1982 at a time when the price was 12,000 rupees for 2 people, to now starting with 8 lakh onwards and goes up to 12 lakh rupees for 2 people. This train right now
लेकिन 1982 में 1000 की भी वैल्यू थी।
बहुत वैल्यू थी।
1 रुपए की बहुत वैल्यू
back
थी।
to its royal past, as the coaches of these trains are coaches that were once used by the Maharajas of the princely states of Rajputana and Gujarat, as well as the Nizams of Hyderabad and the Viceroys of India. This train is actually the 4th variant of the train, which
Like,
is
it's like a
refurbished
hotel,
into
yeah.
a contemporary model, yet keeping alive the old world charm. And that's why, if you notice, you won't find the typical 21st century modernized interiors, because why not keep the history and rustic authenticity of the
पुराने
royal
उसको ही,
past intact?
continue
And that's what
रखने
makes
वाले।
it so luxurious in today's time.
हमें भी ऐसा ब्लॉग्स बनाने चाहिए।
Adding to the luxury
हमारी
aspect
किसी
of
को
it,
होगा ना,
it has
तो जरूर जाएंगे।
22 coaches, out of which 14 are guest coaches, and interestingly, all of them are named after former Rajput states like Alwar, Bharatpur, Bundi, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, and more. So the train has 41 cabin rooms, out of which 2 are super deluxe cabins, and the rest of them are deluxe cabins. This is my super deluxe cabin. I feel like one of those erstwhile monarchs traveling in absolute splendor. There's a lovely double bed with a tableside seating, a dressing table, a cute wardrobe with an electronic locker. But my favorite part is the bathroom. It's so spacious and comes with a glass shower stall, having a hot water a shower in here while you're traveling is a
Wow.
feeling that's absolutely unmatched. Now, these are some of the luxuries you can enjoy while traveling on a luxury train versus traveling on an outstation train in India. Well, adding to it, there's also a TV, intercom, Wi-Fi,
Like complete
amongst the
facility
other
भी है,
modern
घर जैसी.
amenities. Now, the pricing for this starts with 1.7 lakh rupees for a night, making it a total of 12
Okay,
lakh plus
yeah,
for a
one
7-night
time
journey in
seven
Rajasthan.
something.
Now, I know you might think that you can get a lavish international holiday out of this price, but guess what? Some people actually pay for this to enjoy vintage royalty on a train. This is the deluxe cabin. It's also very spacious and comes with all
Body
the
double.
amenities. And the pricing for this comes up to 8.7 lakh rupees for a 7-night journey.
7 inches are 8.
Well, if you thought you'll find 5-star luxury only in a hotel, well, guess what? Each coach has a personal attendant to attend to your beck and call should you need anything at any hour of the day. All you have to do is ring a bell. Well, this is truly an exciting journey to be a part of because everything is taken care of for the price you're paying for. Accommodation, all-day dining, sightseeing, organized shopping, and all a traveler has to do is live a life of a Maharaja. Speaking of which, the train has 2 lavish restaurants, the Maharaja and Maharani. Both come in Rajasthani ambience. The Maharaja has blue, white and glass carvings, while the Maharani comes in gold, white and red decor. Both these restaurants serve lip-smacking continental, Indian, Chinese and Rajasthani cuisine. There's also silverware on the table, giving a taste of luxe authenticity. The train also boasts of 2 well-stocked bars, offering the choicest of spirits of Indian and international brands. Cheers. And some of the other facilities on the train includes a seating lounge and mini pantry outside every coach, where passengers can come sit and watch the cities glide past outside the windows, or enjoy a hot cup of tea along with some soothing piped music. Guests can also visit the spa, which comes with 2 spa rooms for a much-needed therapy after a long day of exploration.
Our minister at the time and the chairman railway board and managing director, they were there in WTM, that is World Trade Mart in London. So they visited Orient Express. From there they conceived the idea, because at that time we were having the old saloons of Vaswal Maharajas, they were not in use. So we combined all the old saloons and made it and named it Palace on Wheels. That was the idea conceived from there.
The guests on board the Palace on Wheels boast of a large number of foreign travelers who want to immerse themselves in the world-class hospitality of India.
There simply cannot be a better way to see this great and glorious nation than on the Palace on Wheels.
This dream we had of coming here, and the wonderful thing about this dream is that it's every bit as good as I thought it would be.
We've heard a lot about the Palace on Wheels for many years and decades, and everyone had told us that this is one place that we should experience. A lot of foreigners do it, and an opportunity for Indians is rare, but we got the opportunity, we grabbed it, and we are enjoying it fully.
This royal wagon is also known to cast its spell through heartwarming hospitality, state-of-the-art en-suite amenities, and meticulously curated itineraries across the land of the sand dunes, forts and palaces. The train also provides more facilities on board. As for the destination, it proceeds to every single day. And as for my 3-day journey on board, I got to enjoy some heartwarming experiences at these destinations. Check it out. So after exploring the historic and iconic forts and structures of Jaipur, this morning we have reached Savai Madhopur to get a glimpse into the life of wilderness. We will be taken for a tiger safari at the Ranthambore National Park, which is India's finest tiger reserves. Now, all these sightseeing activities, including personal guides and travels, is all taken care of. And many a times across these 7 destinations, guests are treated with top-class dining locations at the respective cities, which would otherwise be very heavy on the pocket, is now part of the journey's itinerary. So after reaching Savai Madhopur, we explore the mighty jungles of Ranthambore Tiger Reserve to get a spotting of the mighty wildcat. Well, wildlife spotting is a game of patience, and we're currently waiting to get lucky to spot a tiger. Fingers crossed. While we did not get a chance to see the tiger, I truly loved immersing in the beauty of the jungle. And after a gorgeous morning inside the jungle, we headed for a song and light show at the Chittorgarh Fort, which was absolutely breathtaking, understanding the culture and history of Chittorgarh. Coming down to my last departing words for the exquisite palace on wheels is nothing but traveling through luxury, royalty, supreme hospitality and top-of-the-line services. And having conversed with so many international travelers on board, I can only say I feel so proud to be an Indian for everything we have to offer, just like this train. I hope you got a detailed virtual experience of this luxurious voyage on board. Until then, this is me, Bianca Saurashtri. I will see you soon with many more Lux experiences.
We got the dating video.
हाँ
साथ में jealousy factor.
in free. Oh wow यार, no doubt ये तो एक ड्रीम ही होगा एक तरीके का कि वहाँ उसमें इतने एक्सपेंसिव ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना, और पर डे का उसने 1.7 समथिंग उसने बताई पर डे, और 7 days का तो उसने वीक का 8 पॉइंट समथिंग बताया। हाँ वहाँ तो बड़े बड़े रॉयल ही जा सकते हैं।
लेकिन पता है, खैर एक्सपेंसिव तो होगा ऑब्वियसली, लेकिन द पॉइंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक पॉइंट है। अगर हम देखें कि हाँ, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे ट्रैवलर्स सुने हैं, बस से भी जा रहे होते हैं और पाकिस्तान टूर भी वगैरह, जैसा हम लोग यहाँ पाकिस्तान टूर करवा रहे होते हैं, वहाँ पे इंडिया टूर भी करवाते हैं। लाइक दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम जहाँ पर ट्रेन में ही इतनी सारी फैसिलिटीज है, साथ में फिर आप टूर भी आप सब हर जगह का करवा लो, फिर वहाँ का भी ख्याल रखना, हर एक चीज। दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट यार। मतलब
और जिस तरीके से वो लोग ब्रीदिंग कर रहे थे उसको अंदर एंट्रेंस में ही फ्लावर से लाइक उसको पूरा एप्रिशिएट किया, एंड खातिरदारी, और वो बोल रही थी ना कि लाइक आप किसी भी टाइम पे उनको कॉल करके अपने लाइक जो भी आपको नीड है उस पर कॉल कर सकते हो। लाइक वाओ, यानी अपने कस्टमर का पूरा ख्याल ही रखता। पैसा भी तो
प्लेन में भी इतना नहीं होता होगा, मतलब जितना मैंने यहाँ पे देखा कि प्लेन में भी चलो इकोनॉमी तो अलग ही है, लेकिन बिजनेस क्लास वगैरह भी इतनी फैसिलिटी शायद।
बट इसमें ना बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी हम लोगों को, लाइक द डिटेल जो उसमें चीजें थे जो बने हुए थे, बनाए गए थे, डिजाइन किया गया था, कलरिंग जिस तरीके से हम लोगों ने रखा, यानी
राजा की तरह। हाँ,
एक साइड राजा ने अपना कलर सेलेक्ट किया तो रानी ने अपना कलर सेलेक्ट किया होटल का, तो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था। आई मीन, एंड जो पूरा सेटअप एंड जो वो चीज़ें जो वहाँ पे यूज़ कर रहे थे, इवन वो सब पुराने जो दौर के जो है ना, उसी को उन लोगों ने कंटिन्यू रखा, पुराने चीज़ों को ही, ताकि उसी की याद में कंटिन्यू रहे। न्यू को उन लोगों ने इतना नहीं रखा।
वहाँ पे इनफैक्ट सर्वेंट्स भी जो है ना वो पुराने जैसे कि उनके ड्रेसअप हुए हुए थे, ऐसे नहीं कि आजकल जो आर होते हैं लाइक विद द बो एंड एवरीथिंग, वो नहीं था, वो पुराने राजा महाराजा की तरह
वो कंटिन्यू रख रहे थे। एंड उनका जिस तरीके से सर्व करना, अप्रिशिएट करना, एंड वहाँ पे अपने कस्टमर को देखना, तो जिस तरीके से वो रिव्यू भी ले रही थी वहाँ पे जो पब्लिक बैठे हुई थी, तो वो लोग ने भी कितना अपना अच्छा रिव्यू दे रहे थे यार। वहाँ पे तो वैसे ज़्यादातर ट्रेन में फॉरेनर्स ही थे, तो बहुत कम ही थे जो इंडियन नज़र आ रहे थे इसमें। एंड जर्नी तो आउटस्टैंडिंग थी, शायद हम जितनी उसकी तारीफ करें वो कम है, बट ऑसम।
मतलब एक बंदा जो है ना से यही बोला ना कि अगर तुम हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले ना तो कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होगा जो अभी ना करना चाहे। तो हमें तो खैर बहुत मजा आया देखकर, और शुरू मैंने जैसे बोला कि जेलसी भी है, हम तो खैर इतना नहीं जा सकते हैं। सही है, लेकिन खैर अगर हमें आपको जो है ना वो हमारा रिएक्शन पसंद आया हो ये वीडियो देखने के बाद, तो
So,
अब
guys,
क्या करोगे?
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करना. सो तब तक के लिए हाफिज.